Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to change your vehicle on SpotHero. So if you're driving a different car than the one originally listed in your reservation, then just follow along. First, open the SpotHero app and then sign into your account. Next, go to My Reservation and then select the reservation you want to update. And if vehicle editing is available for your reservation, then tap Edit Vehicle or Change Vehicle. Now update your license plate number, vehicle make, model, color, or any other required information. Review the updated details carefully and then save your changes. And if your reservation doesn't allow vehicle edits or the option is not available, then contact SpotHero support before your parking start time. Providing the correct vehicle information helps ensure your reservation matches the vehicle parked at the location and can help avoid parking issues. So that was how to change your vehicle on SpotHero. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.